One of the factors of 25x²-1 plus 1 plus 5x whole square is, we have four options. Option A is 5 plus x, option B is 5 minus x, option C is 5x minus 1, and option D is 10x. We have to find the solution and then we have to see which option is correct. What is the way forward? Start solving the question. How? That is what we are going to learn. Now, students get stuck at the first step as they don't understand what will be the way out to solve the question. So that is what we need to find out. You have to solve the question in your mind. At least find the initial trigger point. Have a conceptual thought process about how we are going to move ahead. I know this may sound difficult, but it is not. Once you start doing it, you understand the concepts and move ahead. Let us take this as an example to understand how can we trace the solution of a problem when we have no clue about it. Now, look at this. We have 25x²-1 as one expression and 1 plus 5x whole square as the second. Recalling the identities, we can see that it is coming in the form of something like a plus b square, but there is no such identity. So this is not going to work. Now look a bit more deeply, try to dig. You will see in the first term, if we move inside the bracket, we have another term that is 25x². And if you just analyze it a bit deeper, you will see that this can be written as 5x whole square. On the other hand, we have 1. 1 can also be written as 1 square, and we have a symbol here minus. Now, looking at this, you can get a very crystal clear view that this is in the form of an identity a square minus b square. So now we got our first trigger point from where we can ignite the solution of this question. So this looks like a square minus b square, the expansion of which says a plus b bracket, another bracket a minus b. Here a is 5x and b is 1, which means if we expand this, we will get 5x plus 1 into 5x minus 1. You see, we got the first trigger point. Now we can move ahead. Let's do it. It is 25x²-1 plus 1 plus 5x whole square. Using the identity a square minus b square, we can write 25x² as 5x whole square minus 1 whole square, close the bracket, plus another term that is 1 plus 5x whole square, which can be written as, using the identity, if we expand it, we get 5x plus 1 over here and 5x minus 1 over here. I have already explained you how. Next we have 1 plus 5x whole square. Write it down as it is. Now, are we stuck? Here we have 5x plus 1 and here we have 1 plus 5x. Two different terms. Really? No, these are same terms. You must have learned in your earlier classes 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. That means 5x plus 1 is nothing but 1 plus 5x. It is just a way of writing. Although there are certain rules which define this also, and I know you know that. So let's move way forward, and here just write it as it is, no change as of now, that is 5x plus 1. Here we have 5x minus 1, and here we can write 5x plus 1 instead of 1 plus 5x. We can solve it even without writing 5x plus 1. But for students who are just starting maths or who are just at an initial level, it makes it look much easier that we have 5x plus 1 here, 5x plus 1 here. So you don't have to do a lot of mental maths or something processing inside your brain which is not visible. Let us make it visible to have a better clarity, and that is what we are doing here. Now, why have we made this 5x plus 1 in the first expression as well as the second expression? So that we can take 5x plus 1 as common. Means we can have 5x plus 1 pulled out of the entire expression. Now, in the first expression, 5x plus 1 has gone out and 5x minus 1 stays. That means here we have to write 5x minus 1 plus. Now, if you see, we have 5x plus 1 over here, and here is a power 2. That means there are two instances of 5x plus 1. One has gone out, but the other stays here, which means here we can write 5x plus 1. Now this is equal to 5x plus 1, and here we can simply open the brackets. So we get 5x minus 1 over here. Here we have plus sign, that means nothing changes inside the bracket. We get 5x plus 1. And now inside this bracket, minus 1 cancels out plus 1, which is equal to 5x plus 1. And in the other bracket, we have 5x plus 5x, that gives us 10x, which can be written as 10x into 5x plus 1, which means we have got two factors here. One is 10x and another is 5x plus 1. Recall the question, we had four options. Option A was 5 plus x. Is it one of the factors? No, this is not possible. Then we have second option, that is 5 minus x. Is it one of the factors? No, that means this is also not the correct option. Third was 5x minus 1. Do we see 5x minus 1 in this? No, we have 5x plus 1 but not 5x minus 1, which means this is also not the correct option. And what about option D? That is 10x. We already have 10x here, so we have got here, and this is the correct answer. So you see, this is how we solve our maths questions. Don't get scared, don't jump, don't run. Find the trigger points, start solving it, go step by step, and you will have the solution without any doubt. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.